Well, I didn't really know what to expect.
I am hoping to prevent diabetes. I know what it's like. I know the family members that go through it.
I wanted to be a better role model for my grandchildren.
These are things I've never thought of before.
I'm just making healthier choices automatically because of this program.
What's the worst that could happen? You go to one class and you don't like it, and so you say, thank you, but it's not for me. The class environment is very informal.
It's very, very informative. They're very helpful. You can ask any questions that you want.
Within a few weeks, it's amazing to watch the relationships form. You feel like the people all signed up together.
To have these people that are all on the same page, it really reinforces it.
But once you get there, once you're in there, you'll feel so much better.
The power really comes from the group. Everybody brings an idea or a recipe or something to the group every week that maybe is going to be the one comment that's going to spark you to do something different this week. Try and think of just one word that describes something that's still a challenge for you. We start out with a quick review of the prior week, just to remind people what we talked about last week.
We have a binder and we get a chapter every week with a theme. It could be food-related, exercise-related. It varies from time to time.
The class takes an hour, and there's a clock in the room, and we make sure that we don't go over. If you just pick out one easy thing that you want to do and that you're going to be able to achieve during the week, and you write it down and you commit to it, that really builds momentum. So we ask everybody at the end of the class to think of something that they're going to do during the week that's going to help them towards their healthy lifestyle. They're not going to change their life in that 1 hour a week. They're going to change their life the rest of the week. I had one person say, "Oh, you're not tough enough on me." And I said, "I'm not going to be tough on you. I'm going to weigh you and tell you what you weigh, and I'm going to give you the information, and hopefully you'll be motivated by the discussions in the class." But the atmosphere is so inviting and so welcoming.
I'm finding that I just gravitate towards the healthy choices, and it's becoming a natural thing for me.
So at the end of the year, I had lost 70 pounds, and my lifestyle was completely different. People come into the class and say, "I went for my annual physical, and my numbers have improved, and I've reduced my medication."
It took me 70 years to get here, but I have tried other programs, and you're successful for a while. But I'm really pleased to have found this program.
The year flies by. We would come into class and say, "I can't believe we've been at it for 4 months. We've been at it for 6 months. I can't believe the year is over." It's voluntary and it's free. So why not go and check it out?
And I can't wait till after the year's up and get my A1C checked again to see if it's made a difference.
Diabetes is a terrible disease, and there's a lot of terrible diseases out there, but this is one that we can do something about.